What's up guys, how are you? My name is Malaysia and in this video I'm going to be showing you my motorbike in Malaysia. So this is the second bike that I bought. The first one was Pulsar NS200 and then I sold that one 3 months ago and I bought this one. And first I will show you my bike and then I will tell you how to buy a bike if you're a student or you're a working adult as a foreigner in Malaysia. So the whole process, how much does it cost you, the bike prices, where to find it, and the transfer of ownership, the whole process, your insurance, how much it is, and road tax. Okay, so let's get into the video. Currently I'm standing on the backside of APU because I was finding for a quiet place to make the video, but even here the cars are quite frequent. Okay, never mind. Okay guys, so this is my bike. This is Kawasaki Z250. It's 250cc stock engine, dual cylinder intake. The back tire is about 150, and then it's good. I didn't have any mudguard or anything like that. So the fuel tank is about 14 liters capacity. I already drove it like 4-5k. Yeah, I think maybe more than that. I hope you can see. Yeah, that's the mileage. You get the fuel indicator and everything. There's no gear indicator in this one, so you get those gauges. This is the right South start engine. Let's hear the voice. Hope the sound was okay. It's not too distorted. Means sometimes if you move the camera too close, so it's gonna get distorted, you know. Okay, so this is how it looks from the front. Oh, we also got the Kawasaki plate, master plate, and then that's the dual intake. We'll let the cars go a bit, then I will tell you the prices and everything. Maybe now you can hear. Okay guys, let's make it a short video. So this bike was listed as 5,000. He was asking 5,000 for this bike. It is 2013 model and this was driven around like 50,000. But the reason I bought it, it's even though the mileage is a lot, but the condition was quite decent. Even now you see that I just bought it, but I haven't done any modifications or anything on the bike so far. It is as I've bought it. So the previous owner, he kept it quite decently. He never changed the exhaust or anything like that. The engine condition and the smoothness of the ride and everything is quite decent. That's why I bought it. So then I got it to until 4.4. So 4,400 I bought this bike. My previous one I bought it for 3,500. If you are looking to buy a Pulsar NS200 or a Benelli 150, Benelli you can get around 3,000. Pulsar also in 3,000s. So Kawasaki, if you're looking for 250 SL, that one around 3.8, something like that. But if you want the Z250, it's gonna be around 6-7,000. If you're lucky, you'll get it cheaper. But make sure when you're buying second hand, the condition is quite decent because it doesn't cover any insurance since it's older models, right? If you buy a new bike like this one, if it's new, it's gonna be around like 20 something. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay, so the process works like this, that for me, I looked up into Facebook Marketplace and I was just searching through ads and everything. So you can buy from individual owners as well, or you can go to bike dealerships as well. Same in like every other country. Then you go there, you check the bike. If it's okay, you negotiate for the price, and make sure whenever you're buying from an individual owner, make sure to ask him if you can transfer the name or not. That is the most important thing. If he says that the name cannot be transferred, do not buy that bike, because that is most probably a recovered vehicle. Recovered vehicle means that if a vehicle is stolen, then even though you get it back, like let's say the police will find your bike and you can get it back, but then that bike cannot be transferred from your name to any other name. So if you buy that kind of bike, which is a recovered vehicle on another owner, then it's gonna be a problem when you want to sell it. So make sure you buy a legit bike. And okay, so to check that, you need to go to JPJ. Either you can go to JPJ or you can do it online as well. These days it's online. So the owner, the previous owner, he will do it. He will take your details and everything. You will fill the form online, and then you need to go to JPJ and in 7 days, and then you need to fill out the forms. And the transfer of ownership, the cost is 20 ringgit. For me, I prefer it if I just take the owner with me to JPJ, and after the ownership is done, I get that, then only I will pay him. But then I took the new ownership details, whatever you call it. Then we went to his house, took the bike. That's when I made the payment, and I brought the bike. So I hope you like the video. If there's anything else, you just text me in the comments, or you can text me on Instagram, and I will be happy to answer them when I can. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Take care.